JCLPS Women's Wing stormed State Election Commission office while Students' Wing formed human chain in the city. Gaikhangam insists all must unite to put pressure on the centre on the ILP issue. JSC against the death of S. Prasant calls for 48-hour statewide ban from midnight tonight. And new president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Bhavananda takes charge, assures that he will face every challenge with the support of party workers. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I am Butcher Malambam with the top stories. Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, Women's Wing today stormed the office of the State Election Commission located at Lamphel, demanding removal of non-Manipuri voters from the electoral roll and implementation of ILPS in the state. The protesters were led by the convener of JCLPS Women's Wing, Thongam Apabi. Police personnel who were already posted there blocked the protesters at the gate of the office. Women protesters also shouted slogans like "Remove names of outsiders from the voters list," "Outsiders should not be allowed to vote in the state," and "Implement ILPS in the state." Speaking to media, Thongam Apabi alleged that the authority concerned has been neglecting the issue of population dissolution due to influx of non-locals in the state. Apabi added that political parties should also make their stand clear on the issue rather than indulging in blame game among themselves. Students under the banner of JCLPS Students' Wing formed the human chain at different parts of the city today. Protesting students shouted slogans such as "Convert the bills passed by State Assembly to Act," "Non-locals should not be allowed to contest elections and given voting rights." Students from schools along Tidim Road and Singjamai Road took out the protest. A student who took part in the protest denounced the silence maintained by the government on implementation of Inner Line Permit System. The student appealed for implementation of the act in the state.
ILP je phanadi koi ri ho hoi je adu bunga si phoba sarkar sina kemta ngasi phoba kemta tabi da le pase ngasi khoi changchen bane aduga ILP je thuna chana ba hona biyo aduga mitop myan cha sing da su rajniti gi lamda changhan biganu aduga akhoi na ngasi wana lawi ba kholi ba myan se tabi ona haizani ILP.
Member of JCLPS Students' Wing, Suraj Agomcha, said the protest was organized as students also have an important role in saving the indigenous people of the state. Suraj also warned that the non-locals must not be allowed to either cast vote or contest in the Imphal Municipal Corporation election.
The government of India na akoi Manipur bu kaisulit ta mong da khoi na thagiro building mumai gi dustbin da table thamaga thabak ton thok ta ba akoi yaningde IMC election ji da jo akoi mitop ina sa bol lepon bazu aroi boy bo thada bazu aroi ruling amasung opposition da lebir ba kuna mangna central government da salaga akoi da hoju leriba problem je khana ba ma thok tai aduga hoju bok tha nipan helabok da akoi gi bill je moi gi table da legra matung da kayumba responsibility bidab je ta sing akoi yaningde hai ba government of India na toriba thabak thorum je akoi condemn to yam yaningde.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam has categorically stated that it would be more fruitful if all joined together to put pressure on the centre regarding the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly. The Deputy Chief Minister felt that all will suffer if the JCLPS called for bans and blockades to press the demand for implementation of Inner Line Permit System in the state. Responding to query by media persons on the sidelines of the inaugural function of a community hall at Iro Majrao, Gaikhangam said the 3 bills passed by the State Assembly have already been sent by the Governor to the President of India seeking his assent. He also emphasized the role of the BJP government at the centre in converting the bills to an act. On the JCLPS ban on contest and voting of non-Manipuris in the Imphal Municipal Corporation election, Gaikangam said every responsible person needs to understand the laws of the land.
Labor law matungina pakapam thokpe pakalu hadan lahan so koi honorable CM ki chamber da koi paminare toriba authorities sing haja tare adu mayam so madugi do pakat pe yaba step to sak pakalu na haiba ko government na jam serious examine tori do pakat pam thokpa pot pakat li haba ko adu pano mak to hena thujin hanana ba mayam na pressure ma pibi bi so amaram har ga di am akai ba leiten lawi akoina award pa le so adu ka to kan to so ayam advice to bi rakanda sarkar ga site ki to honning ba pot to si to honningi 하이는 이래니 하이르가다 에코이 무슨 kuchamne discuss tawraga I sanghanning haibanda.
Gaikangam today inaugurated Iromaj Ramawang Makhalekai community hall constructed on the initiative of Vice Chairman of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board S. Achoba Singh. S. Achoba Singh thanked the people of the area for this contribution and support in the construction of the community hall. He said he would continue his contribution towards the welfare of the society whether he wins or loses in the election. He appealed to the people to take care of the community hall. Gaikangam in his speech stressed the need for the community hall when there is dearth of space for social and religious gathering. He also urged the people to strengthen unity and understanding.
Hingminnaba adugumba phurup oibana maram oidana ekhoisi punphamse yamna darkar lei punuka sing sumangaire tam sumangaire community hall ase yamna darkar lei sangoi fau sabada jaga laisenlaktaba miyamgi ihun khangna apamba ro khangbidana magi leadership amadi magi initiative ta mafam asi jaga ase lamdam asigi damakta darkar oire hadana semje sajadana ngasidi Namasida Labidi Pazasing, Kutta, Kutchin, Ido, Yaifavanimet, Nungaivanim, Ido, Oide.
JSC against the death of S. Prasanto of Kawana Merapam Lekai has called for a 48-hour statewide ban from midnight tonight. Speaking to media persons at the United Committee Manipur UCM office in Lamphel, JSC convener A. Sunil said the ban is called as the government has failed to reveal the post-mortem report and book the culprit as committed earlier. The government had on Monday sought for 2-day time to resolve the matter, following which the JSC had postponed their agitation. It may be recalled that Sagol Semprasanto was found hanging on April 26 at Lilong Hauribi Awang Lekai under suspicious circumstances.
Kawan nama pemlekai JSC na makata na sumhana sumtoknoriba ban adagi 40 hours ki ban kau ki batu ngasi ahing nungyai dagi taruk ki ahing nungyai phawba.
UCM President Ilangwem Johnson said a meeting was held today along with all Manipur United Club Organization Amuko, JSC against the death of S. Prasanto of Kawana Merapam Lekai and JSC against the unfortunate death of S. Prasanto Lilong Hauribi Awang Lekai. Johnson said all the organizations have agreed to work unitedly to find out the truth in the case. He condemned the government for its negligence and slow action in the case.
Machine maram moirakanda akhoi marakta pamdaba thodok flare up tognanabagi adugumba situation ama sum akoida piraga leiba se mase akhoi nungaitaba amadi madu nunga yanengdaba madu condemn dobudu akhoi ngasi mifam nei akhoi amato ina yanei aduma akhoi sarkar mathakta condemn tawri misi siga S. Prasanto misi mathangda chatharakpa khudimakse JSC anigi maikaidagi angamba thakta mating pangsinaba athuba akhoi matamda akhoi mihar asigi matangda langlalanji puthoknaba honaba haibasidaisida JSC anigi maikaidagi amatoina madu support tawnaba madu mateng pangnaba haiba famse ngasi mifamna matoina ngasi yanakre.
The new president of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh Khetrimiyam Bhavananda, took charge of the party today. He was felicitated today by the party leaders and workers at the party's office at Nitepa Chuthek. Former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Thaunawjam Chauba, handed over the charge to the new president. In his speech on the occasion, KSS Bhavananda said as the president of the party, he will take part in every issue concerning the people. He asserted that he will courageously face every challenge and help the people of the state with the support of the party workers. The new president also said a good leader and good governance are required for the progress of the society. KSS Bhavananda added a politician must love the people of the state, then automatically the politician will work for the welfare of the people, which will aid to the betterment of the society.
Ngasidi aina khalle ai mang da leiriba ai karyakata mayam ai bunungsibiba ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕꯩ ꯀꯤꯗꯣꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ I'm not alone 하이버스 칼레 어디게도 있는 칼레 오 아이 그도빙 가모이들이 노나 이 칼레 아이 소이는 좀 감거리 아이 소이는 I'm not a very weak person I outside I am a weak baby man be I but internally I'm a very strong person and you'll know it when you meet me
Thangweban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan congratulated Kathrimim Bhavananda on his appointment as the president of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh. Speaking to media at his residence today, he said, under his leadership, BJP will able to reveal the corruption in Ibobi-led Congress government. He also said he and other BJP members fully support the new leader.
Pabung Chawgi tenure si loi grabanina, an over presidency na, lakador by municipality election, June gitar, anida tawador basigi, Mamanga, Manipur, the government asida, Tauriba Ashoiba sing say. Sumtok pagi kongjang changsele haiduna thabak khara miyam da utuna anobo president asina Manipur bajra miyam na pamjariba phatraba government sin tawriba thabak ado madugi dandi piba hawri habido ul akani haibagi chat chaba thajaba leijai Congress government bu para ama tambiba Sri Bhavan rigi matamda oiragani haina aini miyam punamakta thamjari.
The new president of Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh, Kathrimim Bhavananda, was felicitated by BJP Singjamai at Thokchom Mandap, Singjamai Thokchom Lekai. Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh today inaugurated 33/11 kV sub-power station at Usoi Pokpi. The sub-power station, commissioned later than the scheduled time, will provide electricity to around 1,500 households around Usoi Pokpi. The sub-power station is constructed by Gurgaon-based company MS Shyam Power India Limited under the supervision of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited (MSPDCL) at the cost of Rs 3 crore and 50 lakh. Wabgai MLA Fazur Rahman, Thawal DC, officials of police and other departments attended the function. Speaking at the event, MSPDCL Executive Director L. Priya Kumar appealed to the employees of the sub-power station to provide electricity to the people of Usoi Pokpi at the earliest.
Peripheral de Pisalamba, Hosi Sida 33 kV line, Yaura Banina Sina, voltage improvement, Prajas and Panga voltage low, everything Domodoria, Kana Bampakani, Aduga Plus, another additional capacity, it is an half-color Pasina. Anova, you may pang of the man, the Pangaget Mokana Blakadava. 33/11 kV substation, as I rural electrification 11 plan, Gimanung Tawal district Yauba, portion Namani, DTKV substation, Nakitang, slightly Tanga Ragazu, commission to the long before, say Amagi or Mayabane, Rokoing a seat or Nina Pole Pleasant may be Bahorani.
Gelnal Hydel Power Project, Senapati district was inaugurated today. Speaking at the function, MLA Francis Ngachokpa said the tensions among different communities is created by the people themselves. He said Imphal Tamai has become the earning ground for the contractors. Senapati Gelnal Village Authority and Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency organized the inauguration function. It may be mentioned that Gelnal Hydel Power Project started functioning in 1990s, but due to technical problems, it stopped functioning in 1994. But it started functioning again in 2015 after Manireda and villagers of Gelnal village repaired it, and it is providing electricity to around 87 households.
Kara repair the IT road, Kara repair the IT road. Engineers Yamina Pungre, Aduga contractors Yamina Pungre. Aduna notice in council see Lambisa 78 crores and that only. Tobasida, Assume Asidi had a progress will be the
Councillor of Ward number 19 of Imphal Municipal Corporation, Yumlembam Ratikanta Singh, today joined the Indian National Congress. Y. Ratikanta was given a warm reception at an event held at the Congress Bhavan on BT Road. NPCC President T.N. Haukip and several party workers attended the reception.
Political playground se fajana sane ga haiba taradi ideology manaba mayam punsin ba matam di oire Congress party gumna wakhan chawba ideology mipum khuding mak lairaba ina khunba lomi shinmi tabak toba karmachari makai loi na punsin bangamba konsin bangamba party Congress party da rati kanta na yaurak paga loi na ate su mathang changak kani.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Seva Dal has condoled the untimely demise of the oldest volunteer Chanambam Ibochoba Singh. In a press release, Seva Dal said his death is a great loss for the INC and Congress Seva Dal. The 36th local conference of CPI Khangabok Local Council was held yesterday at New Market Complex, Khangabok Awanglekai. Speaking at the conference, Secretary of the CPI Manipur State Council, Dr. M. Nara said it is hard to believe that a party like BJP, which considers Nathuram Godse, who killed the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, as a national hero, will do something good for the people. He also alleged that the BJP is a sectarian party. About 200 members attended the one-day conference. It's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Delta Tutorals for CBSE. Admissions open. Class 9, 10 and 12 Science from April 4. Class 12 Arts from May 4. Class 11 Science from June 6. Vacation course for Navodayas and others from May 4. Class timing 5:30 to 9:30 a.m. and 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. For details, please visit Delta Tutorals between 6 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Welcome back. Manipuri University students belonging to SC, OBC and general categories today staged a sit-in demanding implementation of UGC norms in the reservation of seats in Manipur University. The students also chanted slogans like respect UGC norms, resign VC and tried to storm the A block. They also threatened to intensify their agitation if the university does not follow the UGC norms in reservation. A protesting student said universities which are 10% funded by the center reserve 15% for the SC, 7% for ST and 27% for OBCs under the UGC norm notified on March 23. Dean's committee decided to follow the norm at its meeting on April 4.
Atopa migi akhoi sympathy haigadra sida chanagadra norms नियम सिदा चन्नदबिदा अतोप ओंथोइसि करिगिनो असिगी मायोक्तने अखोइना हौरिबे हौजिंग असिगी अखोइगी दिन लौब डिसिजन सि डेट 3 दा लो डेट 3 दा ngarang खक्तनि मोइना रिजोल्यूशन अनौब लौरैसे हानदि सिगी से चन्नरनि हारगा थोख्रबने दिन मसाना थोख्रब पेपर से मोइना इहौ हौरेदा ओंथोकपनेबा इहौ खुदिंगी चेंज तौ तारगदि अखोइ ओरक्तोइसि कैनो लोजि कैनो सिनि अगर नोइगी थोखिबा थौदोक म्याम रिवाइज तौर मतुंग सि चन्नरो हायगा मु थारकपनेबा नौना मसी मुक चन्नरोय हायना मोइना लेप तारगदि सी एगेंस्ट अखोइसु सातरने एगेंस्ट लाकने अदुगा यूजीसी दगजो अखोइ प्रेशर पीगनेबा.
Meanwhile, Manipur University Tribal Students Union Mutsu continued their class boycott, demanding 31% reservation for ST and staged sit-in on the complex. Mutsu President Bosco Jaisi Kharam insisted that the state norm should be followed and 31% should be reserved for the ST. He said the students are against the decision of the Dean's Committee.
That for the Dean's Committee na laugiba resolution adu handok piu revoke taubiu habne adu hojik phawba taubirak tabna akhoi se masi Dean Committee gi se yabanga moi accept tawanga moi haiduna hojik su akhoi chhatra mayam asi class yaudana laibani aduda kaigumba reservation gi policy asi state ki norms ta chatnaroi da boiragadi haibadi 31% da akhoi atopa hangbanatte only group C and admission ji da hangbani maduna masi se hojik laubi da bataragadi akhoi gi khongjang asi inside the campus nataba outside adi state wide ta hena akhoi na kanna laurakni.
Ima Laishem Inat Loisang today called for an amicable solution to the tension of a land dispute at Wangkai Hizam Leirak. Speaking to media persons, founder president of Ima Laishem Inat Loisang and former chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission Yambem Laba appealed to Hizam Leirak Development Association for dialogue with Ima Laishem Inat Loisang. He said due to communication gap between the two sides, the unfortunate incident of May 2 had occurred. Laba also stated that Ima Laishem Inat Loisang had not filed any report with the police regarding those injured and damage of vehicles in May 2 violence. He said the loop is not liable for reports filed to the police by individuals.
थोखिबदा थोखरे अदु हुजिकति नाकन अनिमक याननबा वारोइशन अमा पुनसलकबगी मतम ओइरब्राइन खाली क्राइसिस अमा लैबा तारगदि सोल्यूशन अमा थीबा ताबनी सोल्यूशन अमा लैबा ताबनी सोल्यूशन दु थीनबगी वामांग यानजबा हाइगदरा मदुगी लंबी फाटो ओइना अइना ngasi म्यामांगदा वांखैगी इजम लेरक अमा पुख्रमम लेरक नाकन लेरक वांखै मेम लेरक लेरिबा सिनाउ सिंगसिदा साउनी बा पेनबा लेबा म्यामदो हाइबिरो अखोइन लोसन बया बखोइ संदोक बया संदोक जगे मसिदा लाइनिंग लाइसन तौब चंगजरे मी सिंगसिदा अकीबगी मोइदा चंगहनिंग दबई खुद नुंहान नुनान हनबगी कनोम लेरिसु कोकथो हनगा फ्री ओइना चंगबा याबा साइगी मदुगी एटमॉस्फियर में क्रिएट तौबदा मतेंग पांगबी
14 students from the state under the Asagi Mangal program of Directorate of Education has left Imphal for Delhi Public School Ghaziabad to attend a 2-week coaching for JEE Advanced. Director of Education S.N. Pravin saw them off at Imphal International Airport. A team of Cookie Chiefs Association, Moray Block and Cookie Students Organization, Moray inspected the damaged iron bridge near Howlanfai village, Moray on May 2. The bridge collapsed during a flash flood on July 31st last year. JC against the death of S.H. Bijoy Sharma drew attention of the government and the people to probe the case. Family members said Bijoy went to saw timber in Lungar, Ukhrul along with one Sago Sempakpi and Karibam Rajan alias Taylor Rajan on April 27. The news of his death was received on the third day. The body was found in suspicious condition with injury marks all over his body. He is survived by 3 daughters and a son. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, JSC convener Chaudhary Myum Sumila appealed to the government and people to find the truth as his body was found under suspicious condition. She said they are awaiting the post-mortem report and the JSC will resort to intense agitation if the government does not take appropriate action on the case. Locals of Lairinjam Makhalekai near Mekola today alleged that a man who practices black magic of causing mental disorder to his neighbor. The person has been identified as Konjengbam Jiten, age 45, son of Mangijau. The incident came to light when locals found the members of the family who were all women behaving weirdly yesterday. The victims came on murmuring the name of the person who is said to be Amaiba. Locals then called Jiten and questioned him. Jiten, however, managed to escape after assuring the people of curing the women by himself. Arrayed locals then stormed his house and vandalized an iron cupboard. Unidentified gunmen yesterday abducted a Portland driver of a special contractor T. Lala Vaifai of Lingsify from Bongbal area, Singhat subdivision under Churachandpur district. No armed group has so far claimed responsibility for the abduction. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada yesterday seized 70 litres of country liquor from a person near Nungbrung Awang Lekai Community Hall campaign in Imphal East during its campaign against drugs and alcohol. Kada Nungbrung Unit, Nungbrung Awang Lekai Development Committee and Nungbrung Maira Paibi Lob seized the liquor on tip-off that people are carrying country liquor from Andro using Yairpok to Kaithelmanbi Road. Women devotees of Pantau today staged a sit-in at Singsamai Chingamakong. They were protesting against prohibition of devotees to enter Pantau Isaikon at Wangkai Hizam Laikai in the wake of the violent incidents. The protesters urged the government to resolve the problem and protect Maitai lining. The 54th Foundation Day of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College was celebrated today. As part of the celebration, a state-level classical music competition was held for singers between 16 and 30 years. Speaking at the function, Vice Principal of the college, Laimyum Devendrajit, said the music competition was organized to provide the young students an opportunity to showcase their talents on the stage. The audition for the 4th edition of ethical fashion event Walk Till You Die was held today at the community hall of Singtamay Bazaar. The fashion show to be held at both on May 28 will see participation by men, women and transgender. The 3rd edition of the event was held in Chandigarh last year. Best Transgender title winner and host of the ethical fashion event, Rava Khangembam, told Impact News that the event aims at encouraging and empowering transgender. Rava said the event also aims at promoting the aspiring models and fashion designers of the state. She also expressed unhappiness at the lack of encouragement by the government. Now in sports, Nongpok Kangkut Kasamthong beat Kha Kangkut Kasamthong 15-7 in the 9th league match of the first Inter Kasamthong Kendra League Kang tournament today at Khabam Lakpa Mandap Kasamthong Ilambam Lekai. Maning Kangkut and Awang Kangkut will meet in the 10th league match tomorrow. FC Imphal Maykoibi thrashed All Yaripok Master Football Association 4-0 in the 18th league match of the 18th Challenge Cup Veteran Football Tournament. FVWA Mapal Kangjibung beat IVFA Kanchipur 2-0 in the 19th league match. Vasai Thangwaiban beat NCDA Khongampa 3-0 in the 20th league, and the Kuki Sporting Club Lambulen beat Imphal East Veteran Football Association Salantong 2-0 in the 21st league match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Football Association at Imphal Polo Ground. BSU Nongpok Kakching and ESU Tello have entered the semi-finals of the second Lamlai Kendra Village-wise Men's Open 7-a-side football tournament. In the first quarter-final match, BSU beat BSF Lamlai Post by 7-5 in the penalty shootout, while in the second quarter-final match, ESU defeated STPP Sector 4-1. The tournament is organized by FC Lamlai at the polo ground of Lamlai Students Ideal Club. The remaining quarter-final matches will be played tomorrow. Sector Cricket Association will organize the first state-level 11-man A-side tennis ball cricket tournament at Social Sporting Club Sector Playground from the 22nd of this month. Eastern Sporting Union Wangkai beat Thongju Chigonglei Makong Development Club by 34 runs in the 3rd MCA Plate Cricket Tournament today. In the 3rd league match of the tournament, ESU won the toss and batted first. ESU scored 123 runs in stipulated 30 overs, losing 8 wickets. In reply, TCMDC were all out in 27 overs and managed to make just 84 runs. ESU's all-rounder Shankar, who made 69 runs and took 3 wickets, was declared the man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Cricket Association at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium, Luang Shangbam. Pakhangba Cultural Club Mayai Koibi will take on Force Khetrigao tomorrow. That's all we have for the time being, but before we end this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. JCLPS Women's Wing stormed State Election Commission office while students' wing formed human chain in the city. Gaikangam insists all must unite to put pressure on the centre on the ILP issue. JC against the death of S. Prasanth calls for a 48-hour statewide ban from midnight tonight. And new president of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Bhavananda, takes charge, assures that he will face every challenge with the support of party workers.